Hello! Today I'm going to show you creative ways to shape pastries. For those asking about different methods to make beautiful and unique shapes, and don't forget to support us by subscribing to the channel and liking the video, so we can continue to provide more unique recipes. In a bowl, we add a cup of liquid milk, a cup of water, and half a cup of oil. Then we add a tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of yeast, and a tablespoon of vinegar. After that, we add 2 cups of flour and mix the ingredients well to blend. Then we let it rest for half an hour. Afterward, we add 3 cups of flour, a teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of baking powder, and we mix the ingredients and knead them to get a cohesive dough. Then we let it ferment for at least an hour. When the dough is ready, we divide it into small parts to make it easier for us to shape the forms simply. Then, we'll prepare the dough in various innovative ways. We'll shape the pastries using these simple and lovely methods. Here are 10 tips for successful pastries, including baking time, proofing time, and brushing the dough. Use high-quality flour for a smooth dough. Make sure to activate the yeast by placing it in warm water with a bit of sugar. Knead the dough for 10-15 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. Let the dough proof in a warm, dark place for 1 to 2 hours. After proofing, punch down the dough to release excess air before shaping. Use various shaping tools for creative designs. Brush the pastries with beaten egg yolk mixed with a little milk for a beautiful golden color. Preheat the oven to 180-200 degrees Celsius. Watch the pastries while baking to avoid burning, and bake them for 15-20 minutes or until golden brown. Let the pastries cool on a wire rack to maintain their crispy texture. All ingredients will be listed in the description box in Arabic, French, and English. Tous les ingrédients seront répertoriés dans la boîte de description en arabe, en français, et en anglais. That's it for today's video. I hope you found these pastry shaping methods helpful and enjoyable. Thank you for your constant support and for watching. Don't forget to give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments. See you in the next video. Take care.